Okay, hey everybody. I was looking at the timestamps of those threads that were made previously on the squeaking issue, and a lot of people were saying it's a belt issue and whatnot. You saw my other video with the squeaks. Anyways, I went ahead and went to the store and picked up this Prestine belt dressing. People said it's actually the best at the auto store. So, and what it does is it, of course, helps with the squeaks and the chatter. So, what I did is got my lovely assistant here. Go ahead and go really slow for me. Okay. And what I did was I just went ahead and slowly just sprayed down here. And I move when it gets close. But if you could find one with a nozzle, that's the best thing because you can't really get in there. So I did it right here on this little side, and then I went around here, and then I did on this back side right here. There's a little spot where you can actually see the belt right here. So I sprayed it right down in there as well. So there we go. And then you go ahead and go full force. There we go. Quiet as a mouse. So I hope this helps. Again, Prestine belt dressing, that is all you need.